Hello friends, today I want to say about the addition of Vedic mathematics. Here in addition, in Vedic mathematics, addition is the main operation. Whatever the operation we want to do, addition or subtraction or multiplication or division, everything is indirectly connected to the addition. So we should be perfect in addition first, then only we can learn Vedic mathematics in a most effective way. That's the reason we should learn addition so much perfectly. The reason behind that is in a multiplication, even in division also we use addition to solve some problems. That's the reason we should become so much perfect in additions. In addition, the first concept is concept of n number. Concept of n number. N number means, suppose 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. The n number is 8 only. So then 5 plus 4 equal to 9. N number is 9. Five plus 6 is equal to 11, but the n number is 1. N number is 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. Here the n number is 3. Here the n number is 7. So in this way we will learn the n number. So here what will happen means when we add any number of digits with n number, our addition becomes very fast. Let me show you how. Suppose I have to add some 5 digits or 10 digits numbers. 5, 6, 8, 4, 9. 8, 4, 3, 7, 8. 7, 8, 6, 5, 6. Now I will do with n number concept. 9, 4, 3, 3, 8, 1, 1, 6, 7, 7, 5, 2. So 2, 1, 2, 3, it is 3. 32. Using n number, it is very fast and accurate. Without that also we can do, but we will get some confusion when we are adding with tens. 8, 7, 5, 5, 3, 8, 8, 4, 2, 2, 8, 0. It's 30. Simple. 6, 5, 1, 1, 6, 7, 7, 8, 5, 5, 7, 2. It is 32. Very easy. Nicely we can do of any number of questions. Suppose if we give even 100 number of 100 questions also, we can solve it accurately and without any mistake, fastly and accurately. That's the reason we have to learn about the concept of n numbers, and using n numbers we can learn the addition very well and very fast. Let us do how can we do with 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. Suppose if we have 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers, 75, 84, 92, 56, 78. We have to add this. Then let us see. 752 291 18997 and here it is 336. So 864 426 640 So it is 25. So here it should be balanced here. 36 plus 2 38 385. This is one technique. And another technique also there, which we need not to do anything, and here we can do from left to right as well as from right to left. When we do from right to left here, we need not write anything for the balancing. Directly we can do off. That method also I will tell you. Yes. Let us do one more sum of 5 digit chain. 2, 3, 5, 4, 8, 9, 7, 6, 8, 5. 5, 6, 8, 6, 9, 6, 7, 8, 5, 9. 4, 3, 8, 7, 8, 6, 9, 5, 8, 4. Suppose when we want to do like this, if we want to do from right to left, if we want, we can do from left to right as well as right to left. Both the ways we can do off. When we want to do from right to left, the process is a different. Left to right, the process is a different. So once already we have seen that left to right, we will see one more sum using left to right, and then we will go for the right to left. See, before that you just mark a line here, and then 2 digits are there, so keep a slash. Now add all the left side digits and write the total here, and add all the right side digits and write the total here, then do the balancing. Simple. So see here, 87583582 and it is 30. 56190,437, it is 27. So 2 will be added here, it's the balancing. So finally the answer is 327. Very, very easy. Next, similarly if we go for when we are doing from right side to left side, we don't write anything here, simply we will write a single digit. So that's a different one. That also we will see this. 98776336965. It is 5, 1, 2, 3. That will be written here. Simple. Then now it is a 6 digit. Now if we just do it, that's enough. 572291189954437. It is 3. That's it. 375. Very, very easily we did off. Next. 45965572235. 5 and 2. 897785583347729. It is 39. That's it. It's very simple. As simple as that. So that's why when we are learning Vedic mathematics, we must concentrate to learn more on addition. Whenever we are doing addition for any number of digits, we should not get disturbed. That means we will do very, very accurately. And till now we did with only 5 digits and 2 digit number of 5 groups. And then now we will go for the extension part. Extension part is for 10 digits or 20 digits or 30 digits. Any number of digits we can take. Suppose let us take for 10 digits. 10 digits means I will write on my own single digits and then double digit and then triple digit. 10 digits, 10 numbers I will write. 6, 8, 4, 9, 3, 2, 6, 7, 8. Suppose now I have to add all this. So it is a 10 digits. Normally if you add, you will get so much of little bit confusion. You may or may not get the correct answer. But in the Vedic method and using the concept of n number, we will get it in a single time, single attempt. We will get the correct answer. That's, let us see how. We always add from down to up. 875 561 1233 336 695 549 987 763 358 1 2 3 4 5. It's 58. It's very simple. Next, let us do one more sum here. 8756 678493. Again we will follow the same process down to up. 392 246 684 471 167 763 358 875 583. So the final end number is 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 63 is the answer. 3 sums of I will give you answer, and then I will do all the 3 sums once. 8 7 5 6 8. Let me solve all these 3 sums very, very fastly. See here, we have 10 digits and again 10 digits. Now I will do all these sums in a fraction of seconds. You also can observe after learning Vedic mathematics in this concept of n numbers, you also can do very, very fast like this. Let us check. 2 3 5 4 9 5 4 4 9 3 381167752279987. It is 7 1 2 3 4 5. It's 57. Very easy. 27932291145583369877304 345 54. 57224663996 550 459987774. Single attempt 1 2 3 4 5. That's it. 54. Let us understand and learn about group of 10 digit numbers. 56, 78, 84. Let me write clearly. Yes, 84, 93, 78, 65, 76, 36, 54. Let me count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let me add one more thing. 95. So totally 2 digit numbers 10 I am adding. Next, and one more thing is 86596576849376825389 333 yes 10 54938486786978563548. That's it. I took on my own of different numbers of single digit of 2 digit numbers. I have taken 10 numbers of 2 digit numbers. Now I am going to add this. How can we add very fast? In addition to the when compared to the normal addition, this addition is more powerful and fast. So that's why let us see how it is. So see here. 954 437 774 460 796 684 471 156. So it is 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is 66 this side, and right side also 549 965 561 156 684 437 741 189 965 1 2 3 4 5. It is 55. So this 5 will be added here. 66 plus 5, it is 71. 715. Final answer is. Next one is 853 381 178 897 785 572 268 853 381 slash. That's it. 932 22460 34763 358 897 763. That's it. So it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Let me check once again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That's it. 71. 1 2 3 4 5. That's it. So it is very easy. 71 plus 5 76 763. That's it. Now one more we will do like this. Left to right. 43752 279 965 572 280 897 752. It is 1 2 3 4 5 6 62, and 853 36987 796 684 460 43741. That's it. 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is 62. 62 plus 6 68. 681 is the answer.